everyone. My name is Tyrone Dillard, and I am the Camden County 4-H agent with North Carolina Cooperative Extension. I'd like to welcome you to another terrific Tuesday with Tyrone. Today we will be making butter. You will need whipping cream, and you will also need a jar with a lid. One of the more common jars that you can use is a mason jar. So we're going to get started. Remember, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you wash your hands in order to fight bacteria and foodborne illness. Also, you will want to sanitize your work area. Now, I already have started this experiment a little bit because it takes 5 to 10 minutes to make your butter because you have to do a lot of shaking. Now, you will take your whipping cream and pour about 1/4 into your jar, and you will begin to shake. As you can see, I already have some whipped butter in the jar. I will open it for you because I've been doing some shaking. You can see it there. Let's keep shaking and see what happens. This is a great way to get physical activity, and it is also something fun that you can do with your entire family. You can turn on the music and let everyone shake. Just shake, shake, shake. Just shake, shake, shake. This is the similar physical activity that we have done with the ice cream in a bag activity. I believe I'm starting to hear some butter. Okay, let's open our jar and see what we have. Look in our jar. We now have fresh made butter. You may also add a little bit of salt or garlic for flavor, or you can leave it unsalted. Also, there is liquid remaining in the bottom of the jar, and this is buttermilk. Now, let's talk a little bit about what happens. The science behind butter making. Butter is made from the shaking, but what happens during the shaking? What happens is the molecules in the heavy whipping cream begin to clump together as it is shaken. And when it is shaken, the molecules come together because they're aggravated and they form the butter. And everything that is not formed into butter separates and becomes buttermilk. So that is why the butter forms. Now, remember, when you try this activity at home, make sure you have heavy whipping cream, a jar with a lid, strong arms for shaking, and give yourself anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to make your butter. Remember, as always, to like, share, and comment at Camden County NC4H on Facebook. Also, if you decide to make butter, please post your pictures there. Also, for any questions, you may email me at tldiller@ncsu.edu. Now, let's join each other again next Tuesday for a terrific Tuesday. Bye.